how to fix if you can't follow anyone on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix if you can't follow anyone on TikTok. So let's say currently it's working for me, but in your case, if it's not working when you try to follow, that means it probably means that you have exceeded the follow limit. If you continuously follow more than 10 people, 20 people in a single day, in a single hour, then TikTok might find that case unusual and they might ban you. So the ideal thing to do is you just have to wait patiently until that limitation expires. Or if that's not the case and you still cannot follow the people that you like just like this, then in that case what you might want to do is first just check out the if the update is available or not. So if there's any update, you can also try updating your application, TikTok application from the Play Store itself. So it might fix some minor bugs or errors that might be causing that. So try if that fixes your issue or not. And if nothing working, so just head over to TikTok once again and just click on your profile section and select this hamburg icon at the top right corner. Now simply click on the settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down until you see the option called report a problem. Just select it. Now simply scroll all the way down and you can see there's an option called chat with us. Simply select it and you can basically discuss to them about your issues, what issue you are facing, just like this, and they will respond and try to fix that issue for you. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.